Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic. It is really hot here in Seattle, and as you can see, the sun is shining, super hot. And here comes my cat. But I'm unboxing HorrorPack today. Hi, Max. That was Max. HorrorPack is a monthly subscription. You get 4 DVDs or 4 Blu-rays. I get the Blu-ray. Blu-ray costs, I think, about $25 a month. And you get 4 Blu-rays, 1 limited edition, so it's not a bad deal. Let's see what we have in this month's pack. So here's case 39 with Renee Zellweger, Ian McShane, Bradley Cooper. Some cases should never be opened. I don't know about this one. I haven't seen this one. It says a supernatural thriller. A girl with a strange, mysterious past, deadly nightmare, heart-stopping chiller. Okay, all good so far. The next one is, Anna and the Apocalypse. I've seen this one. This is a musical about zombies and high school, well, a town, and she's a high schooler. That's a fun one. Then, here, Max, say hi. He just knocked over everything. Max, say hi. Funny. Okay. Some stuff got knocked down. Let me grab it. There's two more. So, the next ones are Scream Test. And this stars... Well, that looks like Felicia Rose, who I did some music for her short film. I don't know. I think this is the limited edition one, so I don't have very much info on the outside here. But anyway, it says a veteran scream queen is sent off to an isolated resort. Deranged killer is slaughtering the guests by using scenes from her movies. Ooh. And then the last one in here, Resident Evil Vendetta. So this is a CG Resident Evil film. So that is all of the ones. Do you get HorrorPack? Let me know what you think of any of these movies too. Like I said, I've only seen this one. The other ones I have not heard of yet, haven't seen yet. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And let me know if you get what I'm interested in is if you get the DVDs and if they're different movies and what do you think about that. So do you get the DVD pack and is it different and what do you think about that? I want to know. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.